So with the completion of the dewatering and main pit, it's allowed us to get into the historical decline, Youanmi decline. This one goes about 550 metres below the pit, just over 600 metres below surface, and gives us an access to get down quicker and cheaper than it would be coming a traditional new decline. So that's the first one. We're in there now and we're stripping that one out, getting into the modern size decline so we can get the new trucks down and that sort of stuff and have efficient mining. The Pollard decline, that's planned to start later this month. We're at the face now, getting ready for face support, and then we'll actually start firing that. Opening these two extra fronts up is really important because it's just part of our plan to get into the mine, open up multiple workplaces, and get multiple access points for the drill rigs as well. We have a drill rig now, which is starting in United North. That'll start the infill program. It'll then come across to main. And then Pollard's being set up for late this year to be able to come in with a diamond rig to really look at the growth options in that resource. There's a lot of potential under there, and that's the key focus on the third decline, is to get down and access all those areas. So it's been really exciting. We've signed up into Quip now on a fixed cost EPC basis. Having the highly fixed cost contract really helps provide certainty in delivery of our mine plan and our budgets. So far, all of our major contracts, we've locked in pricing, which is very much in line with our DFS. We've got a few more to go. Pricing is actually locked already, it's just finalising terms. And again, it's keeping everything in line. And that's really important because, again, particularly with all the events happening around the world now, we are seeing cost escalations around the place. Getting these numbers locked in with those DFS numbers is helping with our certainty that we'll manage our capital to deliver this project on budget. And also the schedules currently, everything's lining up well, where we are still on track to pour gold in the middle of 2027. So having these three declines going into the mine, it's always been the plan to have multiple ore sources. What it really does is just help de-risk the delivery. So if you've got problems in one area to mine, you've always got somewhere else you can go. Each of these levels is going to have between 2 and 4 ore drives per decline, per lateral level. So we're anywhere between 6 and 12 operating faces per lateral level in this operation. And when you start looking then at vertical advance rates, we don't need as much per se. It's like, yes, each decline's got to go down, but as an overall vertical depth extension, it gives us a lot more time to drill out, understand, and grow the resource base too. But again, more than anything, it's purely a de-risking thing. It's going to allow a lot more tonnage to come out. And we're building a large mill. It's bigger than what the mine plan is. We're pretty confident we're going to be able to fill this thing up and generate a lot more ounces by doing so.